it's super exciting what's happening in the design and development industry. We've been using Buzzy for 6 months, and the ability to deliver in a fraction of a time is adding tremendous value to our clients. As designers, the possibility to design things in Figma and with one button and connecting the dots, you can have a live product and put it in front of customers and test straight away things in a couple of weeks or days is completely a game changer for us. For those that you haven't used Buzzy, totally recommend using Buzzy. The customer service is one of the best ones that I've been engaged before, and also a couple of tutorials, easy to learn, and what's happening and what's coming up, and all the new features they have in the roadmap is super exciting. So for those that will love to use it, or those that they need help, just paying the guys from Buzzy, or just us that we've been experienced and using Buzzy for a while. We've been trained on it, and we've been testing and failing, and we've been helping Buzzy craft the best tool in the market for low code.